302. Ooh, I've got my own little exit. Hey, I'm going to give you a tour of cabin 302 on board Ocean Nova. And I'm in wide angle mode, so things are a bit smaller, but I don't think I can fit it in if I don't use wide angle. So understand that it is a bit smaller than it looks. At any rate, here's the door. It's actually on its own little sub hallway, and then you come down here, pass over the emergency exit into the floor, which is a little weird, and then you come in. Now, I am traveling as a solo cabin, but there is a bunk bed here. I suppose that is for when we pick up shipwrecked passengers from another vessel. We can fold that down and share the cabin. Twin bed, that's all they have on this ship. Little thing here that is filled with sac vomitori. Yes, I would really like to not need those, but if I do, there they are. It's got a nice big window. I wish it was a little bit cleaner, and right now there's not a whole lot to see out here. Not too bad. And then it has this lovely little desk and a little water bottle, some alcohol wipes, a welcome aboard note. That's my other camera, that doesn't count. Key, pen, my passport, my other camera, and this folder that I haven't looked at yet. One thing I forgot to show you is very important. These are the plugs on the desk, and they've been upgraded. They've now got built-in USB and your standard European style plugs with the 2 prongs. Those are 220 volts and 50 hertz. And over here, there's the ladder that I probably won't use, life jacket, and the boots that they give you. You're not allowed to wear your own boots. Okay, one thing missing. Well, there's my backpack hanging up. Here's the closet. This is basically all the storage space you have, and it's really all you need. And yes, there is a hairdryer. Ow. And then this is the bathroom. And it's a sort of wet, dry bath, a little mixture of both, but it's not too bad. It's got a good amount of space, and you can see what it looks like with me in here. There you go. It's got a laundry pull out here, which I will definitely use. And there's actually a medicine cabinet here. Believe that. And some lovely flowers. So those, yeah, those are silk. So they will be there the entire trip. So, well, there's storage down here too. A lot of extra toilet paper and some more storage. So that's all good. What is this? It's a vent. I'm not exactly sure why you would open or close that. Here's the deck plan. Here's cabin 302 right here. Gonna go upstairs. This is deck 4. You can see it goes all the way down, and you can have nice views. In this case, we happen to be looking at Ushuaia, Argentina. There's this deck space here. This is where we did some bird watching. But honestly, we didn't spend all that much time outside because it was kind of rough. But this would be the place for bird watching right here. These are the kayaks, obviously. The Zambonis are up the Zambonis. The Zodiacs are here and here. If we go down these stairs, I see you. And yeah, anyway, not a room I used very much, but apparently the staff uses it quite a bit. The other side of deck 4. You can see we're pulling in. All these other cruise ships are already come in here. All right, let's go upstairs.
Hello there.
Good morning. We're just about to pull in.
My dog.
These are plaques that when a ship first arrives in a port, that the port will often give them a plaque, and the ship has lots of them, as you could imagine. And this is where everyone spends all their time up here. Wow, looks like there was a party last night. This is the magic machine that everybody loves here. The Nespresso machine does everything. Coffees. There's even all kinds of soups you can have. This was kind of our fortification center for the day. Morning. This is the office where you will take care of any kind of officey things. And this area is the lobby. This is where you get on the ship and off the ship, and this is kind of where we organized for the day's events. And this bulletin board is where they put important stuff like all the excursions we took, the critters we've seen. It's a little chaotic now because everyone's trying to get off the ship. And they're looking at me talking to myself. All right, down here in the lowest deck. These cabins here are for crew, and this is the gift shop, such that it is. They have some things that you would be very sad to have come here without. And these penguin sponges, that's an interesting option. This chart of orcas comes in handy when you are trying to win at trivia, it turns out. Hello! But then this is the door here that we would go out normally. So now we're doing the disinfectant foot bath. Welcome to Antarctica.